Hi all, I have here some gold. Would you believe it or not? Okay, so this is Apple AirTag and I could buy it, although it is very hard to get these days because of all the problem with the flight and luggage that are not getting back after you finish your flight, and everything is disappearing, and there is a problem with all the flight companies over the world. So let's unbox it and see how it goes. And it was very hard to get it because all the stores are out of stock, and I found just at one stock, and I was very lucky to buy it. So AirTag, ta-da! Okay, nice. I think it comes with battery inside because I have this tiny plastic to take off, and probably, yeah, if I'm taking it off, so the battery will start to conduct, and this is of course in order to protect the battery while it is on the road and you don't want it to be out of charge. So I think this is a CR2032. Now how this works, of course this is not a really GPS, but instead of this GPS, iPhone are using all the 1 million iPhones over the world, and they are contacting the AirTag through Bluetooth, and the Bluetooth and the iPhone that is close to the AirTag is sending the location of the AirTag. So let's see how it works. By the way, it's very nice technology, I have to admit. I'm impressed. So you take it off, and now you hear a beep. I heard. So now probably, it is already on my iPhone. Whoa, this is nice. You don't have to do anything, just pull this tiny plastic out and you're good to go. And backpack, yeah, I can call it backpack, or luggage I think will be better. Use this iPhone. Yeah. Setting up. Whoa, very nice, very nice. I have to admit it's very nice because I will tell you why. Find with Siri. Wow, nice. Find my, hey Siri, where is my luggage? Aha, that's all. I will tell you why. Because I bought this copy, or not copy, you know, from AliExpress, that's supposed to do the same. And this is from Android, not for iPhone. And I have to admit, this doesn't really work. It works, but you can't use it. No maps, no nothing. Just if you're close to your phone, you can use it, and it does beep and it does all the things, but you cannot compare this to this. It's the different story, a really different story. So let's see how I use it. Hi Siri, where is my luggage? It is looking for me. Aha. Very nice. Very nice. Now, how do I see map? Allow while using the application. Yeah. Enable notification, allow, and you see my luggage on the map. Whoa, pretty nice. So I have to admit, it's pretty nice, and you have all the accessories, you know, to hold it, like a tag or like a wrap to your maybe wrist to your hand or to anything that you would like. They done all the accessories for catching it, because this is like a circle and you don't have a good place how to hold it. Let's see, it's not a magnet, so you can't hold it, so you have to find a place to put it. That's all. Hope you enjoy. Thank you and bye.